In this video, I'm about to show you how to send flowers to someone in New Zealand with Bloomex online. First, go to bloomex.ca and check if they provide delivery to New Zealand. If available, browse through the flower arrangements and select the one you like. Click on it to see more details. Now, customize your order by choosing the bouquet size or adding extras like chocolates or a greeting card. After that, click Add a Chart and proceed to checkout. Next, enter the recipient's name, address in New Zealand, and contact details carefully to ensure a smooth delivery. Choose your preferred delivery date, and if you need it the same day, check if same-day delivery is available. After that, you can add a personal message if you want. Now, proceed to payment, enter your details, and complete the purchase. Once done, you'll receive a confirmation email with the order details. Now, your flowers will be on their way. If Bloom doesn't deliver to New Zealand, you can try other services like Interflora New Zealand, Petals Network, or Best Blooms, which specializes in flowers delivery across New Zealand. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.